Singular noun and plural noun. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, place, thing, or animal. A noun that refers to one person, place, animal, or thing is called a singular noun. Here we have one boy, one cat, one apple, and one house. All of them are singular noun because they are one in number. So, singular noun refers to one. A noun that refers to more than one person, place, animal, or thing is called a plural noun. Here we have two boys, two houses, two cats. So these are plural noun because they are more than one. Here we have some singular noun and some plural noun. One house refers to singular noun, and then we have two house as they are more than one, so they are plural noun. Next we have one cat is singular noun and more than one is plural noun. How to make plural noun? Most noun become plural by adding s. For example, we have book and we will simply add s at the end of book and it will become books, which is a plural noun. Same, pen singular noun, pens plural noun. Chair is a singular noun and when we will add s at the end of chair, it will become chairs and it is a plural noun. Some noun becomes plural by adding es using es with noun ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x or z. Here we have some example. Look here, we have bus and the end of bus we have s and we know when we have s we will add es. So here it will become buses. Next we have class. Here is double S and again we will add ES and it will become classes. Next we have brush and here we have SH at the end of word and here again we will add ES and it will become brushes. Same is the case with watch because here we have CH. Again we will add ES and it will become watches. Next we have box and here we have X. Again we will add ES and it will become boxes. Next we have quiz and here Z is present at the end. So again we will add ES and it will become quizzes. If a noun ends with a consonant plus y, change y to I and add es. For example, baby. Here at the end we have y and before y here is consonant. So we will change y with I and then add es. Same is the case with city. Next we have if a noun ends with the vowel plus y, just add s. For example, here we have boy. Here at the end of boy we have y, but before y we have vowel o. So we will simply add s. Boys. Again, look here in city. City before y we have consonant. Therefore, we change y with I and then added es, cities. But look here in toy, we have at the end y, but before y we have vowel o. So we simply added s and it will become twice. For some nouns ending in f or fe, Change FRFE to V and add ES. Here we have leaf. At the end we have F. We will change F with V and then we will add ES. Leaves. Same is the case with wolf. Next we have wife. Here we have FE at the end. We will change FE with V and then we will add ES. Wives. Same is the case with life. Here FE will be changed by V and then ES is added. Some nouns do not follow the usual rule. For example, man, it will become men. Woman, when we will write its plural noun, it will be women. And for child, it will be children. Children is the plural of child. And for foot, plural is feet. So there is no rule for them. Now discuss some examples. Here we have try, and in try Y is present at the end of word and before Y is a O, which is vowel. So in such case we will add simple S and it will become twice. Next we have baby. Again we have Y at the end of word bird. Before Y we have consonant B. So in such case we will replace Y with I and then add ES and it will become babies. In next example, we have knife. Here, FE is present at the end of word. So, in such case, we will replace F with V and then we will add ES. Knives. Here, we added ES after replacing F with V. So, it is knives. Next, we have wolf. In such case, we have F at the end of word. Then again, we will replace F with V and then we will add ES and it will become wolves. Wolves is the plural noun of wolf and wolf is a singular noun. Next we have watch. Here we have CH at the end of word. Whenever we have CH at the end of word, we use ES to make plural noun of it. Here we have watches. Watches is the plural noun of watch. We added ES because here CH is present at the end of word. So we added ES and it became watches. Next we have bus. Here S is present at the end of word. Whenever we have S, we will again add ES and it will become buses. Buses is the plural noun of bus. Next we have bush and here we have SH at the end of word. Similarly, when we have SH at the end of word, we'll again add ES and it will become bushes. Bushes is the plural noun of bush. Next we have fox. Here we have X at the end of word. So whenever we have X, we will add ES and it will become foxes. Foxes is the plural noun of fox and we added at the end of fox ES, foxes. Class. Here we have double S at the end of word and again if we have double S then again we will add ES to make its plural noun. Here it will become classes. Classes is the plural noun of class. Next we have child and its plural noun is children because for it there is no rule. So plural noun of child is children. Do you know any other word like it? Today we learned a singular noun means one and a plural noun means more than one. That's all for today. Hope so you will enjoy it. If you like it, then share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.